if you trade options, it's a good idea to understand these numbers down here called the Greeks. The most important one is delta. So what do you notice about these two numbers? Chance of profit and delta. So these two things, if we say chance of profit is roughly 98% and the delta is roughly 2%, see that you just move the decimal place 2 places to the right, tack on a percentage sign, and you get the percentage. So if you add those up, you get 100%. So chance of profit, that makes sense. Roughly 98% chance of profit on this options deal. But what about that 2%? So there's a couple different ways you can think of this. Is that delta, that 2% could mean there's a 2% chance that this deal will expire in the money. Or you could think 1 minus 0.02 would equal 0.98, which is 98% chance of profit. So right now, the QQY is trading at around $24. And this call is for $27. So if you sold a call for $27 with an expiration date about a month out on December 12/19, you, as the options call seller, are hoping that the underlying price, right now it's at $24, you hope that it does not go above $27. There is a 98% chance of profit, 98% chance that this will never go above $27. Or you can think of it as there's only a 2% chance that that'll happen, that it'll go above $27, which are very good odds in your favor. And if you're looking at the math and thinking, hey, these two things don't add up, 2.04% plus 98.26% does not equal 100%. It's a little bit over 100%. And the reason that is because the delta only is strictly going from the current share price up to strictly the $27. But the chance of profit adds on that premium you got for getting into the deal. So as this stock, let's say it goes up past $27, you still made a little bit of profit because you received money to get into the deal. But if it keeps going, then it breaks even at the money, and if it keeps going even more, it is in the money. And as an options call seller, in the money is not good for you. You start to lose money. So that's how to interpret the delta related to the chance of profit. So the next time you're looking at options chain and you see 0.02, you can think, oh, there's only a 2% chance of this deal moving against me, or there's a 98% chance that I will be profitable. It doesn't say what kind of profit, a penny or better, but it's still profit. Thanks for watching. I hope this makes sense. If you like this kind of content, you can give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.